Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to highlight text in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file. Now select this review option top menu bar, and here you will find this highlight option. Click here. Now drag your mouse cursor, select a specific word or line or paragraph and see this. Now click on this highlight. Press right button and select properties dialog box. This appearance option. Here you can change your highlight color and its opacity option. You can change this one also. You can change the opacity. This is, if you want, you can remove this highlight. Click on this highlight and delete, or you can add new highlight. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as your feedable PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.